Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your PS4 controller's buttons not working, so like this, your D-pad, etc. So the first thing you guys can do is, well, you're going to need three things, and well, tissue you're going to need this. I forgot what this is called. It's something to do with like cleaning your ear, but yeah, you're going to need this as well. And you're also going to need some alcohol. I don't have alcohol on me right now, but like you could have any alcohol, like just cleaning alcohol, doesn't really matter. So yeah, so the first thing you guys can do is you can dip the alcohol in like the tissue, like not too much, just put it in the middle, and then you can clean the controller that way. And then the second thing you guys can do is also dip this earplug thing in the alcohol as well, and you're going to clean your controller like this. So the reason why the controllers in the first place don't work is because the buttons get sticky, etc. You know, they get dirty, there's dust in it, etc. And this is a very efficient way to clean it. So what you can do is simply just, dip this part in alcohol, the end part, and then just simply clean it like this. Just clean the sides, clean this, clean whatever is not working. So if my X button wasn't working, I'm just going to clean it like this. Just clean the edges, etc. And then if your D-pad isn't working, you can do the same, just dip it in alcohol, and then just clean it like this. Anything, whatever isn't working, you can do it. And yeah, so that's pretty simple. And yeah, so that is how you can fix your PS4 controller buttons to stop working. This can save you $65. And yeah, it's pretty beneficial. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.